ICT project-based learning. My name is HAFIZ BULDAN and I'm from class PUR5. The title of my project is Hacking and Cracking. Starting with the definition, hacking is an attempt to exploit a computer system or a private network inside a computer. It is the unauthorized access to control over computer network security systems for some illicit purpose. Cracking technique used to breach computer software or an entire computer security system with malicious intent. Though functionally the same as hacking, cracking is strictly used in a criminal sense. Purpose of hacking and cracking. Hacking is to destroy or alter important information or data. It is to experiment with the computer brilliance by trying to affect other systems with viruses. It is also done for sheer pleasure to prove skills. The objective is to affect computer system with viruses. Cracking is to edit a program source code or create a program. It is an application tricks an application into thinking that a particular process has occurred. Cracking is pretty much looking for backdoors in software and exploiting it for malicious use or for a copyright breaching action. What is the difference between hacking and cracking? Hacking and cracking are two different forms of internet and computer-related privacy and copyright breaches. Hackers uses the extensive knowledge of computer logic and code to break into the security system for the sole purpose of checking the holes in the system and work on rectifying, where cracker looks for backdoors in programs and exploited those backdoors and breaks into the security system for criminal and illegal reasons. In general, the attempt in hacking is to create something, while in cracking the primary motive is to destroy something. There are various types of hackers. The first one is ethical hackers. Security hackers who gain access to systems with a view to fix the identified weaknesses. They may also perform penetration testing and vulnerability assessment. The second one is cracker, a hacker that gains unauthorized access to computer systems for personal gain. The intent is usually to steal copyright data, violate privacy rights, and transfer funds from bank accounts. Next is grey hat, a hacker who is in between ethical and black hat hackers. He or she breaks into computer systems without authority with a view to identify weaknesses and reveal them to the system owner. Next is script kiddies. It is a non-skilled person who gains access to computer system using already made tools. Next is hacktivists, a hacker who uses hacking to send social, religious and political etc. messages. This is usually done by hijacking websites and leaving the message on the hijacked website. Lastly is grey hat. It is a hacker who identifies and exploits weaknesses in telephones instead of computers. What are the advantages and disadvantages of hacking and cracking? The disadvantages consist of two parts, which is hacking and cracking. For hacking, it can obtain valuable information without another person knowing. The second point is to gain profits. They should gain profits from the information and get to monitor others. As for cracking, it is for humanity to reduce a problem down to algorithm-like diseases. Moving to the disadvantages, it also consists of two parts, which is hacking and cracking. As for hacking, it will get caught by the authorities. And the second point can lead to social problems. For cracking, it can make the items that will be cracked or malfunctions, and it usually takes time for them to crack some informations. That's all about my presentation.